you can easily identify if there are terminals are given. So here x and y are given, इसका मतलब this is the terminal, these are the terminals across which load resistance is got connected. ठीक है ना, ये एक्स वाई है, यही टर्मिनल है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लोड टर्मिनल एंड लोड रेजिस्टेंस इज 1000 ओम. ओके ओके, सो सबसे पहले इसको रिमूव कीजिए. नाउ रिमूव इट. ओके, सो वी हैव ऑल द आंसर्स विद अस. ओके, हियर इज द आंसर. देखिए कितना आएगा, थ्योरी देखना है, ठीक है ना आपको. VTH, सी हियर VTH आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू कैलकुलेशन बच्चों ने जो किया था. ओके, बच्चों ने जो किया था थ्योरेटिकल 4.852 आया था. ओके, दिस इज द थेवेनिन्स वोल्टेज अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरेटिकल कैलकुलेशन. ओके, T means theoretical. This is the observation table of actual practical. Okay, so see here, this is the supply voltage column. 6 वोल्ट आपने दिया है, यहाँ 6 वोल्ट है. VTH कितना आएगा, हाउ मच, 4.852 आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस न्यूमेरिकल. So afterwards this session, later on you can solve. Okay, you solve these problems for yourself. Okay, so that it can be clear. Okay, it could be clear for you. Okay, now see, चलिए तो first of all see measurement of VTH by using DC voltmeter. Now we have connected a voltmeter. अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, in order to verify or measure, in order to measure the VTH, you will have to connect voltmeter across these terminals. Okay, same procedure. तो हमने क्या किया, we imported from here instruments, go to instruments, then multimeter, select multimeter, select it, then drop over here. Okay, on this page, then connect these two terminals from X, between X and Y. This is plus point of voltmeter. Double click, just double click on this, so it will be appeared, this wizard will be appeared. So we want, okay, this multimeter work as a voltmeter, so highlight V and DC. Okay, dashed, this dashed line, so it will behave like voltmeter. ये voltmeter के जैसा काम करेगा और ये VTH की रीडिंग देगा. So see, okay, whenever you run this simulation and then just double click on this wizard, so there will appear the voltage directly. Okay, 4.852 volts. So see this here. Okay, so this is the voltage of Thevenin's voltage. Sorry, this is called Thevenin's voltage, voltage across open circuited terminal. Okay, तो इसको आपको इसीलिए सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. So simultaneously you will have to solve the numerical because we have to verify. So whether any error is there. ओके, सो देखिए यहां पर एरर आएगा, आप जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो 4.852 आ रहा है और देखिए प्रैक्टिकली 4.823 आ रहा है. ओके, देयर इज ए स्लाइट डिफरेंस ऑफ रीडिंग. दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल ऑफ एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकल. तो जब आप प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे इसका लैब में, व्हेन यू विल परफॉर्म दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन हार्डवेयर किट, सो देयर विल बी स्लाइट डिफरेंस इन VTH of theoretical and of practical. Practical means by measurement, जैसा हमने यहाँ measurement किया है. Okay, we are connecting a voltmeter, so this is called practical measurement method. And when you solve it, then get the answer, then that is called theoretical method. So theoretical or practical, we are comparing both the methods. Clear? तो दोनों को हमने कंपेयर किया और फिर एट लास्ट आपको यहाँ परसेंटेज एरर कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो सभी में करना. देखिए VTH में, फिर RTH में और लोड करंट में. सो देयर विल बी two columns. Okay, two columns for each. VTH there is 2 columns, there are 2 columns. For RTH there are 2 columns. For load current there are 2 columns. Okay, so first of all तो हमने क्या किया, we already found out VTH. ठीक है, चलिए तो आप देखते जाइए. अब आपको सॉल्व करना है, later on you solve this problem. Okay, so I am closing this. Now see, we will measure RTH. चलिए आप बताइए what are the steps. So first I am stopping this. It is running simulation. Okay, now stop. चलिए, then what is the step of finding out RTH? RTH find करने का क्या step है? What is the method? चलिए बताइए, कोई भी बताइए आप
So
में से।
remove the independent sources and calculate the equivalent resistance
हाँ,
across the two nodes.
remove and then only remove the independent source, then
Calculate the effective resistance across the two nodes.
no,
इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस
I
से
have
रिप्लेस कर
removed, okay, see here, देखिए 6 volt battery is removed, but it is replaced with what?
इंटरनल
Not
रेजिस्टेंस
internal resistance, ideal internal resistance. Yes, not only we have to remove, but we have to replace, okay, it, the battery voltage source with its ideal internal resistance, which is 0 ohm. 0 ohm means short circuit. So not only we have to remove, केवल हमको हटाना नहीं है, ठीक है ना, इसको replace करना है with the short circuit. So you can see the second circuit over here at left side. यहाँ पर देखिए ये remove किया आपने, voltage source has been removed and it is replaced with short circuit, and then we have connected a multimeter again across these two terminals. Now it will behave like ohm meter. See, I am double clicking on it. See here, now you have to highlight this point, ohm meter, because this will work as ohm meter and DC. Okay, so this is working as ohm meter, resistance meter, and I am closing this, and then when you run this simulation by clicking on this button, then double click, then it will appear 121.31 ohm. See, now see the table, what is the reading, now compare. So see here, compare, by comparing you can say theoretical RTH 121.309 and practical RTH 123.7. So there is a slight difference. Okay, so according to measurement we got from this software, okay, according to this platform multisim software, we will get 121.31 ohm. ठीक है, क्लियर। चलिए अब देखते हैं, तो काफी मैच कर रहा है, बिल्कुल सेम है, सिमिलर है। ओके, सिमिलर है। आप थ्योरेटिकल रीडिंग लीजिए, ठीक है ना, थ्योरेटिकल, यू कंपेयर इट विथ थ्योरेटिकल रीडिंग। ओके, दिस वन theoretical, because measurement में क्या होगा, instruments are not perfect, so it won't give you the perfect reading, correct reading, there is slight difference, there will be error, so you take this theoretical value, okay, this t value, okay, t, these are the theoretical values. Okay, तो चलिए theoretical value में RTH की value आ गई 121.309, so it is same, exactly same. Okay, चलिए, नाउ सी लोड करंट, द थर्ड सेक्शन। थर्ड सेक्शन इज लोड करंट। अब क्या करना पड़ेगा, आप अगर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, इफ यू गो सॉल्विंग दिस न्यूमेरिकल, सो यू विल कैलकुलेट VTH, you will calculate RTH, then you will draw the equivalent diagram. Okay, at last आपको equivalent diagram draw करना पड़ेगा। अच्छा, यहां देखते हैं कि अब यहां मैंने क्या किया है, डायरेक्टली यू कैन कनेक्ट मल्टीमीटर अक्रॉस दिस टर्मिनल। अमीटर आपको यहां पर कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बैटरी विल बी देयर, सो दैट यू कैन मेजर, डायरेक्टली मेजर लोड करंट। ओके, चलिए, तो ये मल्टीमीटर है which is working like a meter, see here, which is working like a meter. So highlight this A, close this, and then run the simulation. Okay, the same reading will be appeared, 40 milliampere. So now we will see how much it is coming. Okay, is there slight difference? So देखिए यहाँ पर इसके हिसाब से कुछ ये ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है ना, according to the student's copy. So please verify it for yourself. पहले आप सॉल्व कीजिए, according to measurement 40 milliampere आ रहा है, ठीक है ना, 40 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. ये हो सकता है गलत भी हो, okay, it could be wrong. Okay, so we have to verify. That's why I was telling you, we have to solve the numerical. So please solve this numerical afterwards, okay, and then for yourself, and then verify. Remember this theorem, I have already recording this video. I am recording this video for you, so you can verify afterwards. Okay, so according to this software, load current value is 40 milliampere. तो चलिए आप सॉल्व करके देख सकते हैं, देखिए कितना आएगा। देखिए VTH क्या आ गया, देखिए सॉल्व करके क्या आ रहा है, जल्दी से फॉर्मूला लगाइए, IL is equal to VTH upon RTH plus RL, बताइए क्या आया? ये तो आप जल्दी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके, अब हमारे पास VTH है, देखिए वी हैव गॉट द VTH, RTH इज देयर एंड RL is there 1000 ohm. So just calculate by using the formula IL is equal to VTH upon RTH plus RL. So how much current is coming? हम वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं तुरंत। Please let me know what is the answer.
4.32 milliampere.
4.8 milliampere.
Sir, 4.32 milliampere.
4.29.
4.29 मिलीएम्पियर। अच्छा, इसका देखना पड़ेगा फिर, ये कुछ कनेक्शन गड़बड़ तो नहीं है यहाँ। ये 150 था, 100 था, यहाँ पर यहाँ ये कितना दे रहा है? ये 40 मिलीएम्पियर दे रहा है। दिस इज 6 वोल्ट। अच्छा, लोड करंट में लोड मैंने रिमूव कर दिया इसलिए ना। ओके, 1 मिनट। ये लोड भी कनेक्ट होना था एक्चुअली यहाँ पर, ठीक है ना, लोड भी कनेक्ट करना है। तो देखिए, आप देखिए मैंने गड़बड़ किया, यहाँ पर लोड रिमूव कर दिया है, तो लोड करंट कैसे आएगा? लोड आपको रिकनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो देखिए, ये वाला मैं डिलीट कर रहा हूं सेक्शन। ओके, सो सेलेक्ट दिस, डिलीट दिस सेक्शन। अच्छा, ये रन कर रहा है ना, इसको स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा। ओके, व्हेन यू change or when you alter some component, you have to stop the simulation, then it will be deleted. And now connect, now select resistance. Okay, so see the procedure. I am selecting a resistance from here. I will go to basic, then select resistor. Okay, click OK, then there will be a resistance. Okay, appeared on the wizard, and then just rotate this resistance, okay, counterclockwise. Okay, and then set the value 1000 ohm. Double click on this. Okay, 1000, then put the value 1000 and then connect these terminals from here. यहाँ से connect कर दीजिए, यहाँ से ऊपर लाइए, then connect from here. Okay, because across these terminals this load resistance is got connected, and then connect the positive terminal of this ammeter from this resistance. Okay, now 1000 ohm resistance is the load resistance got connected across this XY point, and always now we want to check the current in load. Okay, so you can directly put an ammeter in series with the load. Now we will run the simulation and see. I am running the simulation now. See what is the answer. Now it is correct. See here. अभी ये correct है, ठीक है। तो मैंने एक गलती की थी। Okay, so now see 4.327 milliampere is the answer. Theoretical answer is exactly matching. So no error in this. Okay, so load current is similar, exactly same है, correct. चलिए, so now we have verified this theorem, Thevenin's theorem. Okay, for this circuit. आप change भी कर सकते हैं. You can change the values, you can alter the values. Okay, different circuit you can draw. Okay, and then you can also verify for the same circuit. Okay, now I am saving the circuit. Okay, so this is the Thevenin's theorem verification. Okay, चलिए, now we are moving to our next theorem. So this is also there in the PowerPoint presentation. You can see this is the PPT where we are verifying the Thevenin's and Norton's. Yes, this is Thevenin's and Norton's theorem. So you will see apparatus required, theory will be same, theory वही है, circuit diagram, you will get the circuit diagram on this page. See, ठीक है, ये circuit diagram है, this is the circuit diagram, these are the equivalent diagram of Thevenin's equivalent, Norton's equivalent. Okay, then you will see the procedure. कैसे कैसे करना है? सो सेम दीज आर द प्रोसीजर स्टेप्स एंड दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल. Okay, and these are the procedure of Norton's theorem, and this is the observation table for Norton's theorem, and this is the table what I have presented over here. Okay, so I have taken this slide from student's copy, and also you can measure the percentage error by using this formula. Okay, so here this is the formula, and then at last observation table for Norton's theorem. Okay, so we will now verify Norton's theorem. चलिए तो सेकेंड सर्किट लीजिए आप. Now see, this is the Norton's theorem verification. Okay, now circuit has been changed. Okay, you can see and answers are already there. Below this diagram you can see Norton's resistance is this much, Norton's current is this much. Okay, आप वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. फिर देखिए ये प्रॉब्लम है. दिस इज द सेम प्रॉब्लम प्रिंटेड ऑन द हार्डवेयर किट. ओके, ऑन इन द लैब ऑफ BEE lab. See here R1, there are how many resistances? 1. Total resistances 8 resistances are there connected in this fashion. So what is the statement of Norton's theorem? चलिए बताइए कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे और स्टेटमेंट भी बताइए. व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट?
A linear two-terminal circuit can be represented with the help of a current source and a resistance RTH.
Okay, almost similar explanation is there. Okay, so but equivalent diagram will be different here. In case of Thevenin's theorem, we take VTH, RTH in series. But in case of Norton's theorem, there will be IN in parallel with the RN or RTH. So Norton's resistance या Thevenin's resistance both are same. दोनों सेम है, ठीक है ना. Norton's resistance बोलिए या तो आप, whether you say Norton's resistance or you say Thevenin's resistance, both are same. And the procedure of finding Norton's equivalent, Norton's resistance is same. तो चलिए अब आपको क्या करना है. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर? सो सी हियर, दिस इज द न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, वी आर गिवन ओवर हियर. वेयर आर द टर्मिनल्स? X, Y.
X and Y, sir.
X and Y.
So
Okay, so this is
will be the load.
so we identified the terminals, and that means this is the load resistance. Okay, this is the load resistance 1000 ohm R4. See here R4. ठीक है ना, ये लास्ट वाला एक्सट्रीम राइट. सी एट एक्सट्रीम राइट, दिस इज द लोड रेजिस्टेंस. चलिए तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर ऑफ फाइंडिंग नॉर्टन्स इक्विवेलेंट? नॉर्टन्स करंट फाइंड करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Remove the 1000 ohm and connected by an ideal conductor. Find the current flowing through the ideal conductor.
So we have to remove. Now we have to remove this load resistance and put a short circuit. ठीक है ना. यहां पर हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? लोड रेजिस्टेंस को रिमूव करके आपको एक शॉर्ट सर्किट प्लेस करना है बिटवीन X एंड Y. ओके, नॉट ओपन सर्किटेड. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड इन दिस. ओके, बिटवीन थेवेनिन्स एंड नॉर्टन्स ऑलवेज. यहीं पर बच्चे गलती करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डू मिस्टेक्स ओवर हियर. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, रिमूव दिस लोड रेजिस्टेंस, प्लेस ए शॉर्ट सर्किट. तो चलिए अब क्या करना है, यह देखिए हमने क्या किया. सी दिस सर्किट वेयर वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट नॉर्टन्स करंट. सो बैटरी वोल्टेज विल बी देयर, resistances or rest of resistance will be there, but load resistance has been removed. Load resistance को आपने हटा दिया है, and then we have connected ammeter over here. See here, this is ammeter. Okay, highlight A. Okay, so that it will behave like ammeter, DC ammeter. Then connect the positive and negative of this ammeter from these terminals X, Y. Okay, so this point is this terminal, these terminals are got short circuited through this ammeter. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये short circuited ही है. Okay, it is a type of short circuit but through ammeter. अमीटर कनेक्टेड है, सो इट विल रीड द करंट, जो भी करंट यहां से पास होगा और वही नॉर्टन्स करंट होगा. यू ऑलरेडी नो वट एवर करंट इज पासिंग थ्रू एक्स वाई दैट विल बी कॉल्ड नॉर्टन्स करंट. ठीक है ना. तो ये रीडिंग जो है ये रीड करेगा. सो दिस अमीटर विल रीड दिस करंट. ओके, सो हाउ मच? 1.61. ओके, आई एम क्लोजिंग दिस. So first of all you need to stop this simulation. Okay, whenever you start running this simulation you have to stop. Okay, then now run and double click on this, so you will get 1.161 milliampere. देखिए आपके क्या आंसर है. what is the answer according to lab? 1.16 into 10 to the minus 3 ampere. Okay, same similar 1.16 milliampere is the answer Norton's current. ठीक है, तो ये आपको न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्व दिस न्यूमेरिकल ऑल्सो so that you you get to know the answer. What is the answer of Norton's current by solving this by theoretical procedure, because this is the measurement procedure, and then at last we have to verify by comparing these values, okay, of by measurement and by calculation. Okay, so this is the Norton's current value, and then we will find out Norton's we will measure the Norton's resistance. See here. चलिए अब क्या करना पड़ेगा? What is the procedure of finding out RN or RTH?
रेजिस्टोमीटर अक्रॉस एक्स एंड वाई.
हाँ ठीक है, तो नहीं और क्या करना पड़ेगा? लोड रेजिस्टेंस को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा.
इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स.
यू हैव टू रिमूव लोड रेजिस्टेंस. आपने हटा दिया है. ठीक है, सी एक्स वाई टर्मिनल लोड रेजिस्टेंस इज गॉट रिमूव. ओके, ठीक है, रिमूव कर दिया. ओपन सर्किट किया है आपने, और हमने क्या किया है? आरटीएच लगाया. यहां शॉर्ट नहीं करना है. ओके, इट इज नॉट गॉट शॉर्ट सर्किटेड. नाउ हियर इट इज working like ohm meter. See here, this is ohm meter, so it is not short circuited ना. Always remember, ये हमेशा आपको ओपन करना है और वोल्टेज सोर्स को रिमूव करके शॉर्ट करना है. See, the battery or EMF source will got replaced with the short circuit, and then close it and then run the simulation. So you will get the value. This is working like ohm meter. Okay, this is ohm meter. You have highlighted this ohm. Okay, so that's why this is reading. The measurement of this is resistance 217.312. Now check, compare. See here, this is the exactly same value 217.312 ohm. Rn की वैल्यू है देखिए 217.31 ohm. Okay, the same value. And also one more thing, you can check load current also at last. Load current also. Okay, यहां पर शायद ये नहीं दिया हुआ, देखते हैं ना. It is not given over here. Okay, so you can also check the load current. What will be the load current? So here connect the load. The whole circuit will be there actually. Okay, original circuit will be there. पहले वाला circuit जो था. Okay, the actual problem was the original circuit. Now आपको क्या करना है? इन ऑर्डर टू मेजर द लोड करंट, जस्ट डिलीट दिस सेक्शन एंड कनेक्ट एन अमीटर इन सीरीज विद द रेजिस्टेंस, लोड रेजिस्टेंस. यहां पर एक अमीटर कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन ओवर हियर. सी हियर, इन ऑर्डर टू मेजर लोड करंट directly I am measuring the load current in the circuit, so I have connected an ammeter over here. See, this is ammeter, and how much it is? The reading is 207.21 माइक्रो एम्पियर. तो ये आप जब सॉल्व करेंगे तब आपको क्लियर होगा. ओके, इट विल बी क्लियर when you will solve these numericals. So this is the value of load current. Okay, see, it is not given over here. Okay, ठीक है. अच्छा, उसमें दिया है क्या, देखते हैं. How much current, whether it is in PowerPoint presentation. See here, यहाँ गलत निकाला है ना. It is wrong actually. हाँ, yes, here it is calculated. See here, IL is equal to how much? See, टेबल पे शायद गलत लिखा है इसने. Okay, this is 4.2. No, it is wrong. But this is correct. IL, see here, IL is equal to IN total current, Norton's current into RN upon RN plus RL, that is 2.07 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, or you can see 207.21 माइक्रो एम्पियर. अच्छा, ये आप चेक कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स आप सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा, फिर इसको आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. ठीक, करेक्ट, गॉट इट. Okay, any question related to this theorem, Norton's theorem? Are you there? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no response. Okay, response will give. Please keep giving
Sure.
response. हाँ, बोलो. Yes, ask. Any question is there? क्योंकि इसीलिए देखिए, okay, so you will have to solve these numerical first. ठीक है ना, तो आज कर सकते हैं. टुडे यू कैन सॉल्व, देन ओनली यू
Yes,
विल एबल टू वेरीफाई दिस थ्योरम. ठीक है ना, ये तो मैंने देखिए रीडिंग बता दी. दीज आर द रीडिंग्स बाय मेजरमेंट एक्चुअली, एंड वी आर कंपेयरिंग दीज रीडिंग्स विद द ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड, ओके, बाय द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, दिस इज डन बाय द स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली इन द लैब, सो आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम देयर. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. हाँ, यस.
I calculated the Norton current. I got it as 1.16 milliampere.
Yes, that is correct. Yeah. IN is correct.
Okay.
You can see 1.16 milliampere is correct answer. Okay, it is there. Okay, so you can now solve it, and then we will move to our next theorem. See, superposition theorem. So I will send you this PowerPoint presentation. This is the same. Okay, so this is the observation table for Norton's theorem. See here. ये गलत भी हो सकता है, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन दिस स्लाइड, टेकन दिस पेज फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स कॉपी. ओके, एनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स कॉपी, सो इट कुड बी रॉन्ग. जैसे यहां पर लाइकवाइज हियर दिस आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट रिटन ओवर हियर. सी द लोड करंट इन द टेबल, सी हियर 4.2, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, बट इट इज करेक्ट इन द कैलकुलेशन. ही हैज रिटन ओवर हियर IL is equal to this much. ये थोड़ा करेक्ट लग रहा है, लेकिन आप इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला एट लास्ट. लोड करंट फॉर्मूला क्या है, लास्ट में आता है नॉर्टन्स करंट इनटू, ओके, व्हेन यू ड्रॉ द नॉर्टन्स इक्विवेलेंट डायग्राम, सो दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला. बाय यूजिंग दिस यू कैन कैलकुलेट लोड करंट. ये दिया रहेगा, ठीक है ना, आपने पढ़ा भी होगा. यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड दिस फॉर्मूला इन योर फर्स्ट यूनिट. Okay, so this is all related to Thevenin's and Norton's theorem verification. Okay, so these two practicals are covered. Okay, Thevenin's, Norton's, and then you can see the next last theorem, superposition theorem. So we have to now verify superposition theorem. So this is again the lab manual is there, and what is the hardware kit? What is the circuit printed on the hardware kit? This is the circuit. See here. Okay, I will show you the circuit. Superposition theorem. See. ये देखिए हार्डवेयर किट पर ये प्रिंटेड है. दिस इज प्रिंटेड ऑन द हार्डवेयर किट, एंड देयर आर टू वोल्टेज सोर्सेज. सी, at left side 4 volt supply is there, at right side 4 volt supply is there, and in between these there are 1 2 5 6 resistances are connected in this fashion, and xy are given this between this resistance. Okay, these are the xy's terminals. So आपको current find करना है. We have to find out the value of total current by using superposition theorem. Okay, in this branch, which branch? जहां पर ये टर्मिनल दिया होगा xy. So in between these 2 points 560 ohm is connected. So always remember we have to find out the value of current in this branch. But what is the difference in the circuit? What is the difference? Can you see? In both the voltage source, can you see the difference? दोनों voltages connected
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
क्या difference आप नजर आ रहा है आपको?
Difference in polarity.
Polarity, yes. The right side voltage source is reverse connected. See, okay. left
Yes.
side, see the left side voltage. Okay, this is the positive plate. Okay, and this is the negative plate at down below side. Okay, and upward, this is the positive plate, but here it is reverse connected. The negative terminal is in the upward direction, positive terminal is in the downward direction, so it is reverse connected. चलिए, so what is the statement of superposition theorem? So I already shared the
In a
circuit
circuit
diagram.
containing
Yes.
in
Go
a
ahead.
circuit containing multiple independent sources, we can calculate voltage or current can be calculated by their algebraic sum, calculated by turning only one of the independent sources on at a particular instant of time.
Yes. And the individual effect is considered.
Somewhere.
At last individual effect is considered, and at last the summation will be done. Okay, according to the polarity of current or voltage. Okay, now see, ये आपने पढ़ा होगा. This is the statement of superposition theorem. And what is the step of solving this superposition theorem? आप कैसे solve करोगे? What is the first procedure? If there are two voltage sources are given, one connected left
Then
side.
only at a point a single voltage source will be connected and the other one will be removed.
Okay, so which voltage
So
source?
turning off.
So which voltage
By
source I
turning.
consider first? कौन सा voltage मैं पहले लूँ? Which will be present
Anyway,
in the circuit?
तो लेना है आपको.
Which circuit? Which voltage source? Okay, so see the next circuit. Okay, so here answers are there in the observation table. I have presented over here. See, I have fixed. Okay, here this is the observation table. Now we will check. Okay, it could be wrong, it could be right. So we have to verify. Okay, so first of all, okay, this is the total current. Okay, ये वाला मीटर बताएगा total current. Okay, this will tell you the total current, because in this circuit, see, both the voltage sources are connected. Both the voltage sources are connected. So this will tell the total current. So this will check at last. Okay, we will check this current, total current at last. So I am considering, see here, left side. Okay, see the left side circuit. I am considering for this circuit 4 volt voltage at left side, and then I am removing the voltage source at right side, and then it is got replaced with the short circuit over here. Okay, and then I have connected an ammeter in series with this resistance. Current का direction कैसा होगा? What will be the direction of current from left to right or right to left? In these resistances, see, in this branch, upper branch, see, in this upper branch, the direction of current will be whether it will be left to right or right to left, from X to Y or Y to X.
X to Y.
X to Y. So direction is very important. Okay, in case of superposition theorem, direction is very important parameter. So you always have to remember what is the direction of current, and you have to write it down with the answer, sir, A to B. Okay, in bracket. How much current? Suppose 3 ampere current will come, 3 ampere current. So direction will be important. So you have to write it down at right side, A to B or B to A, X to Y or Y to X. Okay, तो यहाँ X से Y की तरफ जाएगा current. Okay, current will come from here and it will pass through from X to Y towards Y. चलिए, तो now I will run. फिर से बंद करना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, now stop. Okay, now we will check. Now running the simulation, double clicking, then it will tell the answer 3.76 milliampere. See, so due to this is the case number 1. Okay, इसके कारण से 4 वोल्ट का जो बैटरी है which is got connected at left side. So due to this voltage source, the current in this branch 560 ohm from X to Y is equal to 3.765 milliampere. See, now we will check, we will verify whether it is correct or not. So see I1 theoretical. Okay, I1 theoretical, this is the supply voltage 4 volt. This column is related to supply voltage. and then see this column I1 in milliampere, theoretical value 3.76. So this is exactly same, and our answer is also same, 3.765 milliampere. So you also solve this numerical so that it will be clear for you. Okay, so this is our first answer. This is the current provided by 4 volt voltage source connected at left side. Okay, so remember this. Okay, then see, now we have to consider the second circuit. चलिए राइट साइड पे देखिए, सी एट राइट साइड. Okay, so what has happened over here? What I have done over here, यहां मैंने क्या किया बताइए. In the second diagram,
सर 4 वोल्टेज सोर्स को शॉर्ट सर्किट कर दिया.
हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड ना, लेफ्ट साइड. Which side?
Yes,
Left
sir.
side 4 voltage source has been replaced with the short circuit. Okay, जो लेफ्ट साइड पे था. Okay, now we are not considering this because we already calculated the value due to this voltage source. So we have to neglect this, remove this. Okay, so we replace this voltage source with a short circuit. Then we are considering at right side voltage source, okay, connected, okay, over here. Okay, now what will be the direction of current in XY? See, again I have connected ammeter. फिर से मैंने कनेक्ट किया है ammeter, यहां पर देखिए आप. Okay, between this resistance, between these 2 points. But question is, what will be the direction of current in this resistor?
From X to Y.
X to Y.
From
Okay,
X to Y.
so फिर से आपको लिखना पड़ेगा with your answer. Okay sir, this much current but directed towards X to Y or Y to X, whatever the answer. Okay, so here current will follow this path, downward direction में जाएगा current. Okay, minus negative point से positive point की तरफ. Okay, it will flow downwards. Okay, then come in this path and then it will flow likewise from X to Y. Okay, in this circuit, क्योंकि नीचे से जाएगा ये करंट, ठीक है ना, तो इसलिए फिर से X to Y की तरफ फ्लो होगा because this voltage source is reverse connected. तो इसीलिए नीचे की तरफ से करंट फ्लो होगा, ठीक है. ओके, सी, नाउ अगेन आई हैव कनेक्टेड एन ammeter, so we will see how much reading it will provide. Again I am running the simulation, so see how much current. So it is providing 3.994 milliampere according to this. देखिए, ठीक है, 3.994. So let's check whether it is same or not. So see the second current I2 of theoretical part, theoretical value 3.99, exactly same. Okay, so this is exactly same to our answer, 3.994 milliampere. So you also solve this circuit for yourself. Okay, so second current इतना. अब हम चेक करेंगे total current. Okay, so now total current will be the summation, addition. Addition क्यों हो रहा है? Why we are adding these two currents at last?
Because they are in the similar direction.
Similar direction. दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. The direction of currents are same, X to Y, so these will be added. So that's why these will be added and the answer will be 7.75 milliampere. See, I1 plus I2, theoretical value 7.75 milliampere. चलिए, now we will check the total current. So here what I have done, देखिए second circuit. So stop this simulation, then see here, this is the circuit. यहां पर देखिए दोनों वोल्टेज सोर्स कनेक्टेड हैं. ओके, ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द सर्किट. ओके, नाउ सी, नाउ वी हैव टू कनेक्ट एन ammeter in series with this resistance 560 ohm. Okay, in order to get the value, total value, and both voltage sources are connected in the same fashion. Okay, so run the simulation and see by double clicking on it and you will get the same answer, 7.76 milliampere. ठीक है, तो आप इसको सॉल्व कीजिए फर्स्ट. ओके, इट इज सो क्लोज, ठीक है ना, हो सकता है ये एग्जैक्टली सेम हो. So that's why I am telling to you, please solve, okay, it for yourself. So this is how we can verify the superposition theorem, and you can construct each and every circuit, whether it has got independent source, dependent source. You can also go through my videos in YouTube. Okay, there is my channel Electrical Engineering by Ashutosh, where I am already teaching mining branch. मैंने माइनिंग ब्रांच को टीच किया हुआ है, अभी भी मैं उनका लेक्चर ले रहा हूं. I am taking all the lectures of BEE. Okay, I have already uploaded the simulation videos of RLC series circuit. Okay, dependent sources, independent sources, theorems, all the theorems are there. KVL, KCL verification is there. So you can go through my videos and learn for your exam. Okay, क्योंकि आपका एग्जाम है अभी 16 से, तो आप वहां लर्न कर सकते हैं. There are videos where I describe each and everything. Okay, so there is my video Electrical Engineering by Ashutosh. So you can just type in YouTube Electrical Engineering by Ashutosh, then you will get all the videos. Okay, so see, this is the superposition theorem is been verified. Okay, so
what was the final answer?
So final answer was
7.76.
This was the final answer, 7.76 milliampere. This
Okay,
is the total current.
I got it.
This is the total current, because we have to add these currents. Okay. So when you solve this problem, okay, by superposition, so you will have to consider first voltage source. Okay, see the summary. First voltage source, we have considered here first voltage source. Remove second voltage source. Okay, then calculate the current. जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना. एंड देन टेक सेकेंड वोल्टेज सोर्स एट राइट साइड, रिमूव दिस वोल्टेज सोर्स एट लेफ्ट साइड, देन अगेन सॉल्व दिस सर्किट एंड कैलकुलेट हाउ मच करंट इट इज फ्लोइंग इन दिस सर्किट through X to Y. Okay, then you have two answers now. Okay, so you will have to write down the current. Okay, in this circuit, left side circuit, sir, we got 3.7 something. What was the answer? See, 3.765 milliampere from X to Y. Okay, then the second answer you will have to write down in your copy. 3 point, sir, we get 3.994 milliampere from X to Y. So the direction of currents are same from X to Y, from X to Y. Okay, in the both the cases. Now we will have to add. Okay, you आपको ये ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना. This is actually by measurement. This is by measurement. We are measuring. Okay, this is the method by measurement method. But जब आप कॉपी पे सॉल्व करेंगे, when you will solve this numerical on your copy, so just you have to go through these two steps. Okay, यहाँ पर एक करंट फाइंड कीजिए, find another current, and at last you will have to write down, sir, this is the total current. ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. You will have to write down this sentence at last. Total current by superposition theorem is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, 3.7 something milliampere plus 3.99 milliampere. That will be equal to 7.65 something milliampere from X to Y. Okay, this is important. The direction is important. अगर ये एक में Y to X होता तो क्या होता? सब
We would have subtracted.
Yes, बिल्कुल subtraction आपको करना पड़ता, आपको minus करना पड़ता. Okay, it will be subtracted. It will be got subtracted from the first value. तो आपको direction is must. Direction important है, ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पर this is the case where directions are same, and so by measurement method we are connecting an ammeter, and we are measuring the current, directly measuring the current, total current. Okay, so any question? So this is how superposition theorem is got verified.